Hi guys, welcome to FitNCalm. I'm Kushpinder and today is the day 5 of our Yoga Anywhere challenge. So wherever you are, let's get started. Let's stand tall. You can close your eyes for a while. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Gently just roll your shoulders back. Notice if the weight of the body is equal on both the feet. Take another breath in and with a smile exhale. Getting back to yourself, getting back to the breath. One more joyful and big breath in. And as you exhale, just relax the whole body. Gently, you may open your eyes. Slowly keep the feet a little distance apart. And now point the toes a little outwards and heels just a little inward. Just comfortable according to your level of strength or comfort, whatever. So now we will just gently bend legs at the knees and just straighten. So just notice if you want to increase the distance, decrease the distance, completely up to you. Now inhale, just take the hands up, and as you exhale, just take the hands up and overhead. And now we'll just bend the hands at the elbows, just bringing them at 90-degree angles. And now just inhale once again, bring the hands together up. Exhale, come down, coming down as much as you can. You don't have to come all the way, just listen to your body. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, up. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, and now just stay there. Just coming down as much as you can without any pressure on the knees. If your knees are hurting, go up a little bit. Just stay there. Let the navel be pulled in towards the lower back. Take a joyful breath in. Just stay there. You'll just count 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently come up. Just relax. Once again, see if you need to shift the feet a little bit. Just do it according to you. Take a breath in and breathe out. Once again, we'll come into the goddess pose. Gods and goddesses. Take a breath in and breathe out. Now staying in this position, just gently bring the palms towards the ground as if they are saying hello. Inhale, come up with the breath. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, just enjoying even if your thighs are giving up. Just stay there. 3 more. Exhale. Last 2. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, come back up and slowly come all the way. Just gently bring your feet together and exhale, relax. Take a breath in and breathe out. Now gently just keep the hands at the base of the neck. Bring the elbows close. Inhale, come up. Exhale down. Once more. Inhale, take the elbows all the way up. And exhale, come down. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Inhale and exhale. Now we'll do it the opposite way. Inhale and exhale. Just syncing the movement and the breath. Just noticing the state of mind. If you feel like, you can just do it with your eyes closed, observing the body. Inhale, exhale, and relax. Once again, let's get back So feet a little distance apart, you know the drill. You can keep them pointing outwards, just go with your own comfort. You are your best teacher. So once again, come down, and you guessed it right, we'll get the hands again into the goddess pose as well. So now what we are going to do is just bring the elbows together, join the hands, inhale and let them out. Exhale, bring them in. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, continue. Just see if the body is giving up or if the mind is giving up. Or if you're good to go, you can go for a few more. So we'll just stay there. If you need, you can just come up a little. Exhale. Inhale. Going with the breath. Just last 3. Bringing the elbows and the hands. In. Out. And in. And gently take the hands all the way up. Stretch out the legs. And exhale. Just bring the hands down. Just gently roll your shoulders back with the breath. Now the opposite way. Just gentle rotations. And relax. One more breath in. Through the mouth, exhale. And for the last leg, once again, just let's come into the goddess pose. This time we'll keep the arms straight, but just pull the fingers towards the body. So pulling the fingers towards the body, letting the palms go out, stretch out the fingers. And now we will exhale. Inhale here, keeping with the breath. We'll just do tata if there's anyone around, just a bye-bye. So make sure the fingers are pulled towards the body, the palm is going outwards. Just moving with the breath. Just you can do it. Just a few more. Keep moving. Keep moving. Enjoy the sound of the birds chirping. Just last few. And relax. Take a breath in and breathe out. Slowly bring the legs together. And now bring the left hand forward and bring the right over the left. Now see if you can join your palms together. If this is not accessible to you, you can go with the earlier variation, the same one. But if you can, we'll just do this. And gently inhale and take the elbows up. Exhale down. See if you can keep your face relaxed over here. Inhaling, go up. Exhale down. Inhale, go up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Once more. Inhale, go up. And exhale. Gently release the hands. And gently bring the hands down. Now we'll make rotations with the arms. Inhaling, just making a little more space for the body. Exhaling, come down. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Just opposite direction. Inhale, go up. Exhale, down. Inhale, go up. Exhale, down. Once more. Inhale, up. And exhale down. Now slowly bring the right hand in front, the left up. We'll do the boogie boogie if you understand. If not, that's also alright. So just do it. Join the hands together and we will breathe in. Again, you can do the other variation. Exhale down. Just go with the comfort of your own body. This is just the last one. So we'll do it with 100%. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, go up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale down. The very last one. Inhale, come up. And exhale down gently. Untwist your arms, untwist your life. That's what yoga does. Just shake the hands, just loosen the body, just let loose, just move however you feel like. Just loosen up, loosen up. Just stand tall, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Just notice how the body is at this moment. Breathe in through the nose, hold the breath, tense your whole body. You can make a fist, hold the breath, hold, and through the mouth exhale. Once more, inhale, hold the breath, tense the body, make a fist, tense, through the mouth exhale. Last time, with a smile, inhale, hold your breath, make a fist, tighten the body, tighten a little more, and through the mouth exhale. Take a deep breath in, the deepest breath you've taken all day, and let it out. Let the corners of the mouth lift with a smile on the face. Another joyful breath in and breathe out, opening up the chest a little. Another joyful breath in and exhale. There's a God within each of us as we do a little bit of self-care. So we just awaken that divinity within. Let's bring our palms together in front of the heart. Feeling grateful for all that we've been given, feeling grateful for this practice and for this life, for all that we have. We bow our head towards the spirit within us. And whenever you feel complete with a smile, taking your own time, you may open your eyes. We hope you enjoyed today's practice. This was the day 5. We'll see you tomorrow again for day 6. If you've not done that yet, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. We'd love to see you there. May you stay fit and calm.